Hi everyone, I'm Erik Whitcraft, AIFD Floral Contributor for Living Flowers, and today I'm going to bring to you a very special idea on how to incorporate some everlasting botanicals, some amazing fresh blossoms, and a message into a wonderful welcome table sign that's great for a wedding. To begin this design, I'm using an 18 by 24 inch wooden frame and a piece of sheet styrofoam that's 2 inches thick. And then I'm anchoring it into the frame using Uglu dashes. Before I do that, I'm taking this striped ribbon and I'm actually winding it around the outer edge of the foam and pinning it and Ugluing it into position to conceal the outer edge. Next, I've taken this plaque, which has a wonderful message, and I've anchored it into the center of the styrofoam using short sections of hyacinth stakes that I've hot glued into position that will reach each outer corner of the plaque from the inside, and I've U-glued that into position. Next, I'm using a lot of these beautiful everlasting botanical flowers, such as the roses, the hydrangea, some poppies, and other fun flowers in these playful colors, just inserting them into the foam and using a little bit of the pan melt glue to make sure they're good and secure. Lastly, I've taken these short water picks with the little pick on the end and inserted them through the everlasting botanicals in multiple positions, and then tucked in fresh ranunculus and viburnum, some of these beautiful scoop scabiosa and the lilac, just to pull the whole thing together and make it look really magical. This is a wonderful design because you can easily trade out blossoms, rent this frame multiple times to different brides, and it's everlasting, so you'll have it to rent in the future. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope I've inspired you to go out and sell something really unique for your bride, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.